As promised to my mentorship students, I will be doing a video on the best free app that you can use to get branded titles for your Amazon KDP business and beat that book blockage of a thing that has been plaguing the Amazon KDP space. And this is specifically for those that are in the travel guide niche, because one of the reasons for both getting blocked is the non-uniqueness of the title. You see, everyone is publishing books titled travel guide to maybe Lagos, travel guide to Lagos, travel guide to Lagos. There is nothing unique about the title that hundreds and thousands of persons are publishing on the Amazon KDP platform, and this could actually lead to disappointing customer experience or even misleading customer experiences. So if you check, most of the top brands in the publishing world for travel guides like Lowland Planet, Rick Steves, Rough Guys, these are all branded. You don't need to register your business name for you to get a unique branded title. So that I'm going to be showing you, because I have advised everyone in the group, even without the book blockage of a thing, it is always good, and this is what I've been doing with my own books. I brand my books. They are unique. They don't bear the same title with what is prevalent on the Amazon KDP platform. Amazon platform is totally different and unique, and my books, they have been doing excellently well. So I'm going to be showing you, because you have been asking for this. You are kind of confused. You don't want to get trademarked branded titles. So this is really going to help you. So let's get it started. And this is the Amazon KDP Income Blueprint Mentorship Program. And if you are watching this on YouTube or any of the platform, I will seriously advise you to come join us. Things happen in this mentorship program. We get into the real deal. Now, if that is noted, there are a couple of free apps. I've used this app in not just for the Amazon KDP business, for even domain flipping business. They are really cool. Before I laid my hands on some premium tools. So the first one on the list, let's start with this. The first one on the list is the brand name generator. Now, you should know that these tools are not just for brand name generation or business name generation. You can use it for a whole lot of things. Like here, you can use it for logo design. You see the popular keywords and the top industries here. You can use it for your business card as well, even for your social media posting, profiles and media covers, and a whole lot more. Letterhead, email signature, invoices, gift certificates, and all that stuff. But we are just going to be dwelling on the brand name generator side of this. So what you do is that you just describe your business in a few ways. Let's say you type in something like say travel, okay, let me take away the caps, travel guide publishing business. I'll correct that on the Amazon KDP platform. Okay, so we have something like this. Publish. Okay, now I say generates innovative software solution for small business, travel guide publishing business on the Amazon, okay, on the Amazon KDP platform. Okay, so you now click on generate, and let's see what it actually gives to us. So we give it and see what Wanderlust guides. Okay, see Wanderlust guys slogan here. Wanderlust guide, Wanderlust guide, Wanderlust is giving us Wanderlust guide slogan. You download. Okay, this is now, we have the names here. We have it all came with a logo, by the way. You see, these are cool logos. beautiful AI generated logos. So you see here, Wanderlust Guides, Globetrotter Publication, Adventure Atlas, Expedition Editions, Nomad Narrative. I love some of these things. Roaming Routes, I love this. Voyage Volumes. Then you click next, you see and Johnny Jonas, Explore eBooks, Wanderer West, Club Routing Guides, Traveler Taste, Wayfarer Rights. This is cool. So you see Vagabond Volumes. I'm loving that. Then Jet Setter Journal, Globe Guides, and all that, so on and so you get the idea right now. That is how you do it. Now I'm not going to do it with others. You have gotten the idea now. Then you also, for this, you can actually, this medium, you can make it long. The style, all styles, I would prefer you leave it on all styles. Then you can make it medium. You can even make it short, but that medium is the default, which is okay. Then the second one, we have the design.com. Still same thing, you put it in a few ways and you generate. We could seriously try it out. We are going to copy this. You come on here and you pop it in, and make sure you check all these for trademark. You check them for trademark. So you generate. I'm just going to do it for all. This is for design.com. Still the same thing. You see, it's as if they were created using the same they were created using the same software. So it's giving almost the same thing, but one is going to be different. So you see here, we still pop in this, just say keywords. Then for free business, you do the same thing, pop it in, you click. So this one, we have namelist.com. So you just select auto and then click on next, and this is medium, we'll leave it on medium, click on next. And then, because this is actually for domain names, those that are into domain flipping business. So roaming resources, explore edition, just a little bit of differences here. Discover patch, Globetrotter Gazette, and then Traveler Taste, which was in the other one. So you basically get the idea now. So this, you have Chronicle Tour, I love that. Then we have Kindle Bound. You don't want to use anything relating to Kindle, I trust me on that. We have MENA Travel Guide, that's good. Scribe to Travel, this is also very cool, you understand. So you just try all this right. Guide Step, Johnny Hacks, Johnny Wise by Wanderlust, Destination Journey. So, and this Canva. Do you know that the popular Canva we all use for our design, they also have their own platform for design, and this is it here. So they have their own platform for design, canva.com/business name generator. Let me just copy it and go pop it in. They also have their own. It's actually pretty cool. So we go back on there, or let me just go back. I think I already did it. Yes, this is it. Canva.com business name generator. Same thing we did with the others. You just copy it. You copy, come over to Canva, you pop it in and generate business ideas. Okay, see, generate the business ideas. So you go play around with all these apps. Same thing, generate business name. Then this same thing, try a keyword, generate business name. So now you have the idea. So all these, they give you cool titles that you can use for. Thank you for visiting. Okay, we're just going to close this. So you take your time to play around with them, please, and get your titles. If one doesn't give you what you want, the other is definitely going to give you what you want. Look at this one now, from business name generator. You have Roamstar, I love this. You have Explorer, you have Adventurer, you have Trecaria, so brandable. Then you have Trecology, you have Odysseys, you have Questify, and You come down, you see you have a track. You can actually get, if you have the fund, you can actually buy this domain. Anyone you are using, you just buy the domain name down in case of the future. Maybe you want to register it as a business or get a website for it and start up a travel blog. We are going to be doing all that business relating to blogging and AdSense in with time in the group. Even domain flipping, I'm going to be teaching you guys all that. So you see, Explorelia. Remember again, make sure you check for plagiarism. You have Rumista. I love this, Rumista. Then you have Travel Logs, you have Trekpedia, you have Pathwise. I love Pathwise too. I love that name. You have Travelista, you have Torify, you have Trek Vibes. You see how easy it has become to get this brandable name. You have Rumik, you have Vagabonds, you have Navitrek. So they are all very, very brandable and cool, and someone would just trailblaze. Look at this, Explotera, Wonderboy. See, then for this also brand roots, you go check it out as well. Now we have checked all of these particular free app generating software, generating software that you can use for brandable titles for your travel guides, and we have seen they're all cool. You can go play around with them later, but there's one particular one that is unique, very, very unique, and that I will advise that everyone use. That I will advise that everyone use, and that would be what I call the best choice, talking about Hootsuite.com. Now, if you don't know about Hootsuite, Hootsuite is pretty popular all over the world. It's a social management platform. I've used it. Very, 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 very good. It's kind of on the high side when you compare it to when you compare it to the social management side of Canva. But pretty Hootsuite is, though we are not going to be going into Hootsuite, I just want you to have an idea of where they are coming from. So pretty cool. They started this whole social management thing. Now this is something very, very unique with their own business name generation. And the pretty cool thing about it is that you can select your language. See here, we have English, French, German, Spanish. We have 5 languages. You choose English. Then you can also choose your category. You understand? So you can just put it as none. You can put just for fun. Then you can come down and choose your particular niche. Then if you can come down, and the one that relates to us, we are going to try out a travel guide. You are not going to see travel guide here, but you are going to choose something that is like close to travel guide. So okay, travel vlog and transportation, no, but travel vlog is the closest here, and you just pop it in. Then we have tone. What tone do you want? Is it a casual tone? Is it a cheerful one? Is it a friendly, educational? You understand? So you are free to choose your tone. Now let's say we leave it on the default select tone, we don't choose anything. Let's see what happens. Then again we pop in that. Then you can now describe your description of the audience. You see why this is unique? So you can actually describe the audience that will be patronizing that your business. You can see Amazon shoppers. Just elaborate on it. I'm not going to do that. Amazon shoppers for Kindle books who are interested in guides for their next vacation or trip. Do you understand? So we just put in that, and then say click generate what description. Now it is not going to do that because we left out what the tone. For the tone, what kind of tone do you want? We don't want mysterious. Do you want grumpy? Well, we don't want grumpy. Then do you want witty? Do you want inspirational? Okay, now let's try witty. So you just try all them out. Witty. Somebody witty, like fun. So you now have Wanderlust Chronicles and Jet Set Diaries, Roaming Rambling Guys. Okay, not bad. So you can actually click on reset, and then you go back again towards. You click on reset and you go back again. You try another one. See what? English. We choose tone this time. We choose a what? Educational. We choose educational tone. Then description of business. Amazon. We just put it Amazon KDP. Then category. For category now, we just put. Let's choose something else, or we just leave it. Let's leave it as still on travel vlog. Then we see Amazon what? Shoppers. Then we click on what? Generate idea. So it gave us what? Travel teaching, explore insight, travel teachings, and what? Wonder wisdom. Now what do you even though this is, see, when you are doing yours, even though this is I choose this as the best choice because of all the alternative that he gave to us to set it up and all that. But if we are being very, 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 very sincere, you will agree with me that the first one we use, then there is one other one in there. I've already deleted them all. We try all them out. You can get the URL from here. I will try and drop all of them in the group so that you check them all out. Like this particular one, the brand roots was very, very cool. Brand card was also very, very cool, as well as this business name generator. They gave you a whole lot of options to choose from. So this is how you get your brand name. Now the moment you have gotten your brand name, say you are interested in Trekopedia, you can now call it Trekopedia Travel Guide to what? Lagos. You understand? Planet Kicks Travel Guide to Lagos. And Lonely Planet doesn't have monopoly to brand name, neither is Rick Steve or the Rough Guys or all the other brandables that we have on the Amazon platform. Having a brand name for your KDP business makes you unique, makes you very, very unique, and even gives you a better ground and stand to sell more books as people trust brand more. You now appear like a company, not just a one-man business. So that is it. I really, really hope sincerely that this particular video will be of massive benefit to your KDP business and take your sales to another whole new level. And also, as you get brandable titles for your books, one challenge that always consult with book blockage would have been eliminated. So thank you and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.